Get ready for the action, because we are diving straight into the future of travel with Project Ruby from Channel YouTube and Virgin Voyages. The award-winning, kid-free cruise line and Google Cloud just dropped Rovi, the cruise industry's very first AI crew assistant, at Google Cloud, next in Las Vegas. This isn't just another chatbot. Rovi is the first element of Project Ruby, an ambitious AI initiative designed to support the entire sailor journey, from the very first discovery right through to booking. We're talking about a system built with Gemini Enterprise, Agent Platform, and BigQuery that can navigate everything from itinerary and pricing to onboard experiences, delivering personalized answers that go way beyond simple keyword retrieval. Learn how this assistant understands where a sailor is in their decision-making process to guide them to the perfect voyage.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we are looking at the massive infrastructure shift happening in enterprise AI with Google's Agentic data cloud. As businesses race to deploy autonomous agents, the demand for connected infrastructure that lets data and intelligence move across clouds is exploding. Google and Oz have teamed up to tackle multi-cloud connections, while Snowflake is restructuring its data cloud to support this agentic adoption. This new approach aims to solve the latency and fragmentation challenges, making the data layer actionable for agents to operate directly on. This move positions Google as the most AI-native cloud offering by controlling the crucial data context layer, setting the stage for the next generation of enterprise automation. Now, let's talk about maximizing Gemini and Google Cloud's bold bid to become the operating system for enterprise AI. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian announced the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform as the new hub for building these agents, moving beyond the experimental phase into a unified stack. This includes a new Gemini Enterprise application designed to turn AI from an isolated tool into a secure, collaborative autonomous engineer for the enterprise, complete with an inbox for agentic management. But the power isn't just in the software. Google is also deploying custom silicon with the TPU-8T and TPU-8i, specifically designed to break the memory wall and accelerate the training and inference for these massive models. Finally, we confront the growing criticism facing Google regarding its AI coding capabilities and the competition from rivals like Claude Code. While others fight for enterprise customers, Google is making a strategic pivot by focusing on consumers, aiming to capture everyday users who are already reliant on their tech ecosystem. Google hasn't fully spelled out its agentic coding vision, leaving a massive opening for them to wow consumers with tools that give them unprecedented control over computers. Don't miss the full breakdown of this AI revolution. Stay with us right now for more breaking news. Channel YouTube, the award-winning, kid-free cruise line, and Google Cloud have unveiled Rovi, the cruise industry's first AI crew assistant, at Google Cloud next in Las Vegas. Rovi is the initial component of Project Ruby, Channel YouTube's AI initiative designed to support the entire sailor journey, from initial discovery to booking. Developed in collaboration with Google Cloud, Rovi utilizes the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, Gemini models, and BigQuery to navigate the complex variables influencing a cruise decision, including itinerary, timing, pricing, destination mix, and onboard experiences. The assistant provides personalized recommendations and answers, helping sailors find the ideal voyage, shore excursions, and experiences. Crucially, Rovi guides users through the booking process with contextual support that moves beyond simple search, enabling genuine decision-making. Unlike conventional consumer travel AI that relies on static knowledge bases for keyword retrieval, Rovi was engineered with a different premise. The engineering team focused on understanding the sailor's decision-making state, asking, "What would a skilled crew member know about this sailor's thinking?" and how would they know when to say what? This approach ensures the assistant's response reflects the user's current stage of consideration. For instance, tailoring conversations based on whether a sailor is comparing cabin categories or has already explored specific destinations. Andy Schwalb, Chief Technology Officer at Channel YouTube, stated that the partnership provided the infrastructure and intelligence to make every answer feel tailored to the specific traveler, reflecting a decade of thinking about technology serving the guest experience. Rovi functions as a decision support system, leveraging Channel YouTube's structured data, behavioral insights, and domain expertise alongside Google Cloud's AI infrastructure. Sam Sebastian, VP, North America Regions at Google Cloud, noted that Rovi aims to mitigate booking friction and deliver personalized recommendations at scale. Billy Bohan Chenique, VP Global Brand Marketing and AI Transformation at Channel YouTube, emphasized that Rovi embodies the brand philosophy, experience first. He described Rovi as existing in the critical moment between a sailor contemplating a voyage and making a final commitment. Project Ruby is slated to have 7 future expressions targeting various friction points across the sailor experience. Rovi is the first iteration and is expected to launch soon on virginvoyages.com. Google has launched the Agentic Data Cloud to empower enterprise AI agents, directly addressing the growing industry need for agents to operate seamlessly across complex, multi-cloud environments and access critical data. This move signals a strategic focus on solving the latency and fragmentation challenges that hinder actionable insights for autonomous agents. The drive toward agentic AI is accelerating as vendors recognize the necessity for these agents to navigate hybrid cloud architectures, with data and intelligence mobility being the critical bottleneck. In response, major cloud providers are collaborating. Google and AWS initiated a partnership in December to streamline multi-cloud connectivity, with Microsoft Azure slated to join the effort in 2026. Furthermore, CoreWeave has partnered with Google Cloud to facilitate AI training and inference across various platforms, including AWS, Azure, and on-premises systems. Cross-vendor integrations are intensifying. Databricks expanded its cloud partnerships with both Microsoft and Google Cloud, while Snowflake has restructured its data cloud to specifically support enterprise AI agent adoption by connecting its platform with Google Drive and Salesforce Data Cloud. Google's Agentic Data Cloud aims to make the data layer actionable by enabling cross-cloud access and continuous context enrichment, allowing agents to operate directly on the data. This strategy positions Google as the most AI-native cloud offering. According to industry analysis, Google is betting that controlling the data context layer for agents is the key to dominating enterprise automation outcomes, suggesting that mastery of this layer is more valuable than controlling the entire cloud stack. Complementing the data infrastructure, Google also introduced the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. This platform allows organizations to build, scale, and govern their AI agents, representing the next evolution of Vertex AI. Moving forward, Vertex AI development will be delivered primarily through this new agent platform rather than as a standalone service. Noi Dung Kai Tait. Google Cloud is aggressively positioning itself to become the operating system for enterprise artificial intelligence, leveraging its leading large language model, Gemini. During a keynote at Google Cloud Next in Las Vegas, Google unveiled a suite of new tools designed to transform AI from isolated applications into secure, collaborative autonomous engineers for businesses. /N Chief Executive Thomas Kurian emphasized the shift from experimental phases to a unified stack approach, highlighting Google's comprehensive resources across compute, global network, security, data engines, and application platforms to maximize enterprise AI value. Gemini is central to this strategy, powering new features like a Gemini Enterprise application that introduces an inbox for centralized agentic management, a data agent kit for data engineering, and a shared, Projects Workspace to foster collaboration. /N CEO Sundar Pichai framed this effort as establishing mission control for the agentic enterprise, signaling a firm commitment to the agentic Gemini era. To support the immense computational demands of this vision, Google announced 2 new custom tensor processing units, the TPU-8T and TPU-8i. The TPU-8T is optimized for training, addressing memory access issues for LLMs, while the TPU-8i is designed to accelerate text generation by hosting a larger key-value cache, effectively breaking the memory wall for long context decoding. And these developments underscore Google's focus on bringing order and management to the growing complexity of AI agents, with announcements covering agent-to-agent orchestration, agent gateway, and agent observability. Industry analysts note that Google's end-to-end optimization capability, combined with strong financial momentum, including 48% year-over-year revenue growth for cloud operations in Q4 2025, suggests this strategy is gaining traction. The move positions Google Cloud to capture significant market share by providing the necessary control layer for businesses to build and deploy sophisticated AI solutions. Google is navigating a new wave of criticism regarding its performance in the AI coding space, with detractors claiming the company is lagging behind and that even its own employees are favoring competitors like Claude Code. This sentiment echoes past anxieties, such as the reaction to ChatGPT's launch in 2022, which led to predictions that Google would miss the AI revolution. However, analysts suggest this narrative is outdated. Google possesses a significant advantage in the AI landscape, centered on its established consumer base. While competitors like Anthropic and OpenAI focus heavily on enterprise and government sectors, Google is strategically positioning itself to capture everyday users who rely on its ecosystem for essential tasks like email and meetings. As the industry pivots around the AI token, the competition is evolving into a long-term industrial struggle that will define market leaders. Current developments in harnesses, tools designed to connect AI tokens to computer systems, are gaining traction, but have yet to fully permeate the mainstream. While OpenAI's Codex represents a near-consumer-facing AI harness, there remains an opportunity for Google to establish a leading product. Specifically, the company has not yet fully articulated its vision for agentic coding, and the current product cycle is nascent. This presents a substantial opening for Google to innovate and deliver a consumer-facing solution that grants users unprecedented control over their computers.